Have you ever thought that something as simple as turmeric could turn toxic? It's hard to believe, right? But stick around because in this video, we're about to reveal how turmeric, known for its incredible health benefits, can become a poison in your body under certain circumstances. Turmeric, often labeled as the golden spice, has been celebrated for centuries, but not everyone knows that improper usage can lead to serious consequences. Imagine this: you're enjoying a delicious curry, packed with turmeric, thinking you're doing something great for your health. But what if I told you that by making just a few mistakes, you could be putting yourself at risk? Let's break this down. First, many people add turmeric to their diets without realizing that it needs a crucial companion to unleash its full potential: black pepper. Without this partner, the curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, can't be properly absorbed. So if you're sipping on golden milk or throwing turmeric into your smoothie without this essential ingredient, you're missing out on its benefits. In fact, you're essentially throwing away your money. Quick challenge for you. Next time you cook with turmeric, remember, a pinch of black pepper can make a world of difference. Make a note of it because we've only just scratched the surface of how turmeric can backfire on you. Now, let's switch gears and talk about quantity. Excessive consumption can lead to some nasty side effects such as nausea or digestive issues. Picture this: your friend excitedly announces they're on a turmeric cleanse. They're downing spoonfuls of turmeric like it's candy. You might want to pause and reevaluate because too much of this super spice can certainly turn against you. But wait, there's more. Are you aware that certain medications can interact negatively with turmeric? If you're on blood thinners or diabetic medication, turmeric could amplify these effects. This can result in serious health risks. Always consult your healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Protect yourself. You owe it to your health. Feeling intrigued? Here's something to think about. Could the turmeric supplement you're taking even be pure? Some products on the market are contaminated or have misleading labels. When you skip over quality, you're not just wasting your money, you could be putting your health at risk. Here's a tip: look for reputable brands with third-party testing to ensure you're getting the real deal. It's a small step that can keep your turmeric experience positive. Now let's recap. Turmeric is a powerhouse, but when not treated right, it could become your worst enemy. Remember the importance of pairing it with black pepper. Be mindful of how much you take, monitor your medications, and always choose quality products. Every time I learn something new about health, I feel empowered, and I hope you do too. If you've enjoyed this journey into the less-known side of turmeric, don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share it with friends and family. You never know who might need it. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more incredible insights from Health Alert Remedies. We've got plenty more to share that can transform your health journey. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts or any experiences you've had with turmeric. And make sure to stick around for more valuable tips in our next video. Your health is worth it.